Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick vlog. I cut my hair last night in the middle of the night because I went to visit my sister and my hair grew like quite a bit. Got something on me. So, I don't know. Really wanted a little bit longer, but this was the do I did last night. So anybody can cut your own hair. It's not that hard. Just gotta keep doing it, right? If it looks funny, oh well, it grows. Now, Clay won't let me put him in the picture. He's being a poop.
I need a haircut.
He needs a haircut. Well, I'll cut your hair. You get the before and after picture. But anyway, we finally got our heat back. And so, should I put the camera on you, dear?
I'm just painting.
He's just working. So
fingertips.
thank him thank him. You're on TV.
How about moving it over so I'm on the screen?
Okay, now you are. So tell him what you want to tell him.
We just want to thank all the viewers that left their comments and their prayers about us getting our heat on. We just want to thank you for that. And take it away, Ruthie.
And if you didn't know, they were waiting for a part. And so we ended up, with no heat for like 3 weeks?
No, 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So can imagine, but thank the Lord it wasn't too bad.
We had a little propane heater, but it really wasn't doing much because it was cold that week.
So he's doing a coloring thing. He's got another...
I do this during my coffee time in the morning.
Yes. And how do I act if I don't have my coffee?
She's miserable.
I am...
You gotta quit cutting me in half.
He's grumpy.
Grumpy, but you cut me
Not
in
now,
half.
no, but I meant... So anyway, I'm holding it in front of him. So we're in the middle of a kind of a big mess because we've been gone for a few days. I have laundry out, but I'm not going to do like a cleaning video. I have to water my plants. I still have dishes to do because it's been like we've been getting up in the morning, and as soon as we get up, we have to go somewhere. I'm going to turn this light on. I wonder if it'll make a difference. La, la. So...
Don't forget to vote.
Yes, don't forget to vote. We're going to vote tomorrow, right?
Yep.
And Clay's going to be doing some things. I'm hoping that I can get him on film today. He's usually pretty good. He likes to do videos too, but when he's having his coffee time, you know. But he's going to be doing some work with the plants. He's going to be starting a project hopefully today. And so we've got a lot of things going on. I was kind of excited. I think I'm going to be getting some company soon, some special company. So I want to get my house, you know, getting things more in order. Because it's been crazy because we've been outside between his hip and my broken wrist 2 times, if you're new to my channel.
With no heat.
And the no heat too. You know how it is. It's always something. Excuses, excuses. But the main thing is that you stay happy and don't worry about the little things because there's always going to be little things. But, so anyway, we've got all kinds of things going. Oh, yeah, I want to show you my yarn. Oh, I love this. My birthday, you know, some of you that have been following us know that I had a birthday. Clay bought me this yarn. I love it. I love the wild stuff. So I'm making a blanket out of it. And I'm going to make some scarves. And I'm working on a few blankets. So I'll have that up. So anyway... anything else that you can think of? I want him to do some more cooking. Tell Clay to do more cooking, guys.
Well, we've got to make up some burritos.
Do I got you in the tape now?
No, you still got me cut in half.
Where are you? Put yourself where you believe.
There
he goes.
You need to put it on the other way
can't
so
see.
that you can.
I can't. I know. I can't do it
so that you can
this.
see where I'm at in the video. Not that I want to be on the video, but.
Well, they want to see you. Oh, should I show them? Well, you should show them later when you make your other thing.
Well, you can show it if you want.
So my son bought me a birthday present, but he brought my
one of them little
group
forks.
So
it was painted up as group.
It's a little messy today. Don't mind our mess. I always tell my friends, if you're gonna come see me, you're seeing me. If my house is messy, oh well. If if you don't like my food, bring a pizza, right? I remember I used to have so much company that years ago what I used to do is my friends used to laugh because I would just keep adding water to the chili. The main thing was that we were all together. So anyway, that's what's going on today. Here's my sweetheart. Now I kind of got you more in the picture.
I'm finishing up my picture so I can get started. I got to cut some wire so I can put Cleopatra
Yeah, it's gonna work.
She keeps with the cold air we had with no heat. She kind of wilted a little bit, so I want to
She's
tie her up.
attacking Clay.
I want to tie her up.
Clay and I are when we grow up, we want to be Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus.
Yeah, well, the beard's only
Then
lasts
he's got the
until
beard. This is not pajamas.
after winter, and I'm cutting it off because it's
This is
when
the
it's
new
warm,
shirt.
it's itchy, but I got to have it on so when I'm snow blowing,
Yeah, when he's snow
I
blowing.
keep my chin warm.
So anyway, just wanted to do a vlog, and the main reason for the vlog was to thank you guys for praying for us and for the heat, because we were so happy to get that heat done. Oh, and especially since last night it snowed. Yay! We'll walk
Not
out.
a lot, but
I'll walk outside and show them. Well, nope, I'm not gonna walk outside and show you the snow because it's all melted. So anyway, I guess I'm gonna finish watching my YouTubes. Then I'm going to, because I have to have
finish
my.
up this picture, and then I'm going to get busy.
Yes, I got all kinds of work to do, because when we get running the roads, look at how funny my hair looks now. When we get running the roads,
We were gone all
everything.
day yesterday.
Well, we were
so
gone
didn't
like
get
2 or 3 days, because
Didn't get anything done.
you had to go to the doctor,
Yeah.
and then we went out of town, and just one
Get
thing
that
after
right in my face. There. There you go.
another. Smile.
I'm smiling, but I just had to finish up my picture.
He's got to do his picture. So anyway, hey, you guys remember when I got that turbo cut at Walmart? That one, I think they said they're Regis too. They cut my hair like up to here. It looked hideous, and honestly,
Well, they did it like you were
like a
15-year-old.
and what's funny now is after I cut my hair last night, I said,
I thought it looked hideous myself.
oh, it looked
They
terrible.
buzzed it right up the back, and
Yeah.
it's like
It wasn't even the buzz up the back. It was that they cut it like up to here. It's like straight, just like this. And actually, that's what I said after I did this haircut. I said, I think I went a little too short. But it doesn't matter. It didn't look
it's
as
just hair. It'll grow back.
right. But I mean, before, like, they cut my hair literally up to here like this, and it looked bad. And so after that, I'm like, I think I'll wait a while. But anyway, right now, I think I cut it a little. It's an okay, but because of that other haircut, I guess it's in the back of your mind. So anyway, can I show them what you're coloring?
I'm just coloring a butterfly.
He's
So.
coloring a butterfly. So that's what we do when we're having our coffee. We're watching
YouTube, and
we watch
do coloring.
we watch YouTube on the big screen, YouTube on the computer, watching stuff. So
Retirement is a wonderful thing.
yes, everybody needs to retire because you don't make any better off waiting, right?
And I told her when I retired that I don't care if I have to eat cat food and drink lemonade to survive. I'm going to retire. And I did.
And when he retired, what did I do when you came home?
She cried.
I was so happy. I was so happy.
She cried because she wanted me to go back to work.
No, I didn't. I was so happy he was home. I like people, so I didn't want to be alone. So I was really happy because, kids are grown. You're all by yourself, and it's nice to have your best friend living in the same house with you all day. So, because Clay and I are best friends. So, my sister told me when I met Clay, marry somebody like yourself. And Clay used to say, Ruthie's me with a blonde wig, but now my hair is getting pretty dark. And see, I used to dye it, and it actually used to be completely
I used
white.
to dye it too, but I stopped dieting. I got heavy.
He stopped dyeing my hair, right?
No, I stopped dieting.
Oh, dieting. But I used to.
I said I stopped diet.
Oh, I got it. Diet. I used to. My hair actually used to be pure white. I'm what they call a summer. I'd be darker in this winter and lighter in the summer. But as I'm getting older, I kind of wonder. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not too worried about it. But the dyeing was getting too dry, and now I'm starting to get gray. Hooray! Doesn't bother me at all. Doesn't bother me at all. I want
I
to.
told you your hair gets softer too.
Yeah, you don't have to hug
You
a
don't
Brillo pad.
Straw.
Because my hair is really dry.
When you dye your hair all the time, it's like straw.
And you've even dyed it for me, huh? A few
Yeah.
times. Because out here, there's not a whole lot of places to find. I used to pay. Now, then I found out, why pay? I can do it myself. Be different if I was having something fancy, but, you know, we're home. Okay, guys, enough of that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, big or small, say it, babe.
You too can be a backyard farm.
Okay, bye, guys.